What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be checking out another pair of earbuds by SoundPeats. These ones are called the Air5s. Now in a couple previous videos we checked out the Capsule 3 Pro Plus buds and the SoundPeats Breezy buds, the ones with the ear hooks on them. So I got high hopes and high expectations for the Air5 earbuds. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging and read some of the specs that are included with the buds, and then we'll open this thing up and I'll give you guys a preview of the sound quality, kind of like I did in the last video with the Breezys. And I'll put one in my ear and I'll put one of the buds towards the mic, and you guys should be able to hear the sound too. So I'll give you a little light preview and you let me know in the comments what you think of the sound quality. But anyways, as far as the Air5 buds, we have them here in black and we're looking at Bluetooth version 5.4. We're looking at a frequency range of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. We're looking at a maximum working distance of 10 meters, playtime about 6 hours, and I believe that's without the case. That's like with the buds themselves, you get about 6 hours of playtime, and then with the charging case up to 30 hours. So for the battery capacity, we're looking at 35 milliamp hours per earbud. So, and 400 milliamp hours for the charging case itself. See what else we got. We got 13 millimeter dynamic drivers. We got, what else? A hybrid active noise cancellation. So with this hybrid active noise cancellation, that's kind of like AI powered adaptive noise canceling, meaning it's supposed to adjust depending on which environment you are. So if you're in a loud environment, active noise canceling should kick in, and if you're in a quieter environment, it shouldn't be as prominent. You know, you should be able to get a little transparency. It shouldn't be working as strong, that active noise canceling. You also get AI call noise reduction, and that kind of does the same thing as the AI powered active noise canceling, but for your calls. It's compatible with the Beats, it's compatible with the Peats app, the Peats audio app, just like the last earbuds. Pretty much all the earbuds and headphones from SoundPeats that we covered so far, I think have been compatible with their Peats audio app, and that's where you can like customize the EQ settings and make the headphones your own. So guys, let's go ahead and open these up and just pretty much take a look at the Air5 earbuds. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with the channel. I definitely appreciate you guys. Shout out to the subscribers, old and new alike. Everybody's welcome here. So I think that cut did it, and let's get this bad boy open. I always like SoundPeats packaging is always nice, you know. One thing a lot of these manufacturers are missing is the attention to detail and just caring about their package and presentation. So shout out to SoundPeats for that. Look at that. You get the charging case and the buds. Let's take a look at, so this charging case is kind of like a little egg shape, but it's a little different from the Capsule 3 Pro Plus buds I have by SoundPeats. Look at that though. Not bad. Just a quick comparison. You can tell that these ones are the Pro model. They just look a little more pro and feel a little more premium. But anyways, we're here for the Air5. Nice. This is a nice and slick bud, and it's definitely reminiscent of the Capsule 3 Pro Plus buds. But color wise, this looks like it's a silver color instead of that bronzish gold that you have on these ones here, the Pro models. I like it. Nice, lightweight, and they're sleek and slick looking. So let's see how comfortable they are in the ear. They really actually fit in the ear nice. I can't even lie. I was thinking that these would kind of flop out, and I'm sure once I start walking and running or exercising, these aren't going to stay in my ear. But right now, this is a comfortable fit. So you got your little speakers here on the buds, if you can see this. I believe these are touch sensitive, so you can do touch controls with the buds. And yeah, just overall nice, sleek looking bud. And then it has little tiny writing here that says "Hear your imagination." That's kind of like the SoundPeats slogan. And it also says the same thing right here on the charging case for the buds. USB Type-C charging port. And is there anything else included in the box? Yep, looks like we get some cables. And we get a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable for charging the case and the buds. And do we get anything else? Looks like that's pretty much it. So let me get these buds connected and I'll tell you and show you how good the sound quality, well, the best I can at least, how good these sound. SoundPeats Air5. All right, guys, so we're connected, and let me put one of these buds in my ear, and then I'll put the other bud towards the microphone so you guys can hear what's going on. Let's go. All right, this is full blast right here, full volume. Hold on, let me get somewhere with a little more bass so we can really see. All right. You guys gotta drop me a comment and let me know what you think of the sound quality. I'm not really blown away by the bass. But the sound does have a little kick to it. But it's not a real heavy bass sound. Let's try a different song. Yeah, the bass doesn't hit as heavy as it does in the Capsule 3 Pro Plus buds by SoundPeats. But then again, I believe these buds here are about $90 and these ones are about 60 bucks. So for 60 bucks, not bad at all. But I definitely like something that the bass is heavy. As far as sound quality, clarity, I don't want to play anything that might give me a copyright strike, but I have to get back to you guys on that. But anyways, guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video and of the SoundPeats Air5 earbuds. And if you be getting a pair. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.